Hi everyone, it's Cindy with Twisted Truth In. How you guys all doing? Today was big. Andy Moorman confirmed a cadaver dog hit at Barry's old construction site 3 times today. So today was day 3 of the search, and I saw Andy speaking with Mike and Chris of Profiling Evil. And Andy confirmed veteran cadaver dog at the Riverfront construction site previously searched hit 3 times today. Chris said protocol is for the CBI or FBI to bring in another dog to see if it gets a bigger hit. They'll try to get a telephonic search warrant, and if it results in an archaeological dig, that's a really big deal. Andy witnessed 2 dogs make a double hit today at another undisclosed location. So cadaver dogs are trained to find deceased humans. They can differentiate between human and animal remains. They're 95% accurate. They can smell human remains up to 15 feet underground and up to 98 feet underwater. And they can tell from a single drop of blood or a bone fragment. They can also detect residual scent, such as when someone moves a body. Killers may think they can outsmart the dog, but when they hide a body, I read even some people will try to hide a body inside of an animal. The body is constantly decomposing and the dog always knows. Let's see, we have 6 million olfactory receptors, and they have 300 million. So they can smell what you see. I try to research passive alert. I guess from what I gather, it's when the dog will alert, but he won't disturb the crime scene. So no evidence is destroyed. This is the Riverfront construction site that they searched. These are some rocks that are there that Profiling Evil put up on Twitter. When I look real close, there's 2 smaller rocks. I don't know if those are a marker for something. I just find it kind of odd. And this is when they searched May 22nd to the 24th, I believe. It's heartbreaking to see all that. So this is White Pines. And the reason why I'm showing this is because they mentioned that on May 13th, Barry went up there, and here he is on May 13th. And he collapsed on the ground and muttering something about Suzanne, and he allegedly wanted to see if someone put her over the bluff, only there is no bluff there. So today, a proven cadaver dog made 3 hits. My heart breaks when I see Andy looking for his sister. I'm praying for you guys. Okay, talk to you later, guys. I'll try to keep you posted. Bye-bye.